You've got a new to over air picture shock jig sa Gaeltacht in the Gaeltacht. We're looking at picture 17 in the Gaeltacht. Okay. Agus fecum Dini sa Gaeltacht. I see people at the Gaeltacht. Cougars a picture. There's 5 in the picture. Tá siad at Hala and Colostia. They're in the school hall or the college hall. Tá dausa a chhlaachtu agus tá drama a chhlaachtu. They're practicing their dausa, they're practicing their dancing, and to drama a chhlaachtu, sorry, to drama a chhlaachtu, they're practicing a drama. Éan earnón atá an earnón atá on Gerhan Marneil Moran Dini Sahala. I'd say it's the afternoon because there's not a lot of people in the hall. Tá fear agus ban an urlar agus iad clachtú dausa. There's a man and woman on the floor and they are practicing dancing. Tá siad glúsca agus tá grim lava acu céile. They're swinging there, and tá grim lava acu céile. They've got, a hold of each other's hand. Tá tílíonn garma bríste glass agus broga donna an bhar. So the man is wearing a blue t-shirt, green trousers and brown shoes. In a seer chaiher yara ganakalish and mala tamunchor, sitting on a red chair beside the wall. There is the teacher. Ta microphone in a lava yas ega agus níl sé glórte on. So he's got a microphone in his right hand, but he's not talking into it. To Shenshore Dluduski an Erlor, there is a CD player on the floor, an Akalesh beside him. Gerhan gohfuil ceol Gaelach ag teacht as mar tá bhirt os cór a múinteora ag rinke. I would say that there's Irish music coming out of it because the other two in front of the teacher are ag rinke, or they're dancing. Taganzi glass bríste lia agus broga lia múinteor. He's wearing a green jumper, grey trousers and grey shoes, the teacher. Okay, so shot A. Agus os cionna múinteora an mala above the teacher on the wall, tá gá chórtha, there's 2 signs. Hian chórtha. Ger cionna bháin Laura Gaelige, one says speak Irish. Ger an cionella bahachanga elort, the life of a language is to speak her. An Arden Sahala on the stage on the hall, ta faragus bana clactu do drama. There's a man and a woman practicing for drama. To goodna fada glass a man, she's got a long green dress on her, the woman. To ganzi duagus bristelia an var. The man has got a black jumper and grey trousers. Tana kirchini uskulch, the curtains are opened. The curtains are opened. So in the kesh the sample questions is will Nadini Shaw Gulair Ka will Nadini Shaw Gulair's the picture? Where are all the people here in the picture? Tashid sa Gaeltacht. They're in the Gaeltacht. Cian fa and year two goes shit sa Gaeltacht. Why do you say they're in the Gaeltacht? Mar just say fecum Corhi Krahu in the Bali. I see signs hanging on the walls. Agus ta sidig drinka agus ig janu drama agus ta muncher on. So ta alandini on. Kavidini ta sahala, how many are in the hall? Ta kuiger sahala, there's 5 in the hall. And will Keely more shul mas too? Is the big Keely on, do you think? Just say ni doilo me mar nilonak berchig dausa because there's only 2 dancing. And Cairdatá siúlaigh an merch an urlar. What are the 2 doing on the floor? Tá siad dausa, they're dancing. Constatá an fear atá ag dausa gléasta, how's he dressed? And you can copy what I said there. Caird as a will and ceol ag teacht mas tú. Where's the music coming from, do you think? Sheelam gohfuil and Shane Shordalú Duska ag Shenam and ceol. I think that the CD player's playing the music. Agus Cawell and Shen Shordalú Dusket. Where is the CD player? Tashi Erin Erlor, it's on the floor. Kehe and Farata Nakalish and Shen Shordalú Dusky. Who's the man that's beside the CD player? Gerhanger Munchor. I'd say that he's the teacher. Kerdatan Alavega, what does he have in his hand? to microphone in a lav ega. Okay, lav yas ega. He's got a microphone in his right hand. And Cowell and Cian da ata a bhríste, what colour are his trousers? Tá siad lia, they're grey. Cowell and Moonshore na he, where is he sitting? Tá si na he and Chaiher, Jarug and Akalashamala. He's sitting on the red chair beside the wall. Care the ta os Kiana Moonshore na mala, what's above the teacher on the walls? Tara Chorha Gaelige Crochuan. There's 2 Irish signs hanging on it. And care there, a will Munchurig Fekins, what's the teacher looking at? Tashik Fekins, Aaron Birch, Dini Ella Igdausa. He's looking at the other 2 dancing. August, care the ta Shulig and Merch Erna Arden. What are the 2 doing on the stage? Tashid Clactu and the Rama. They're practicing their drama. Jerhan, I would say. And Conistan Far Aaron Arden glaced and Conistan Ban Aaron Arden glaced there. How's the woman on the stage dressed and how's the man on the stage dressed? We've said that already, you can listen back. And when the Kircheny Aaron Arden Usculchin the Dunter, are they opened or closed? Tashid Usculcha, they're opened. Keen Codge den La Ton Mastu, what part of the day is it? Massam girl Alaran Layata on, it's in the middle of the day, it's an ear known in the afternoon. Agus Cer the Yanni na Fulmoroi Nurabe and Clactu Dausa Agus and Clactu Drama Heart. What will the learners do when the dance practice and the drama practice is over? Jerhan go rahi sheet nawalya goji ban and tea agus east fi the yin. I think they'll go home to their ban and tea and they'll eat their dinner. Okay, Shaw A and Gaeltacht, that's the Gaeltacht. Gatana Garamaigov.